So in class, Mr. Roberts, quote unquote, was solving a problem, and he came up with the answer x is 1/3. And then he was attempting to impress the class by dragging a calculator out and plugging in x in all the original spots in the original equation. And lo and behold, what he got was not the same value on the left and the right hand side. In other words, his solution was incorrect. So the question is, where in the world did this uh, knucklehead make his mistake? So, as I look at this, I'm going to just kind of start at the top and move down. I can see that I did indeed multiply 5 by both 2x and -1, because that's the 10x and the 5. And then there's a -3x. If I combine 10x minus 3x, that is 7x, and then -5. That all looks good. On the other side, I'm just writing 5x plus 9 again and again and again. Let's see, next, it appears that oh, I see what I've done. I've added, that's what I've done. I've added 5x to the left-hand side, and I subtracted 5x from the right-hand side. So you can see, if I was to take away 5x from this side, right, it would cancel with this one. Oops. It would cancel with this one. They would be nothing. And then I went ahead and I added 5x to this side. Well, this is bad because it's created a disequality, right? If you add something to one side and subtract the same thing to the other, they're no longer equal to each other. So probably what I should have done instead was subtract 5x from both sides. If I take away 5x from this side, it definitely creates 0, leaving me with just a 9, and subtract 5x from this side, and it would give me a 2x. So, and I see actually another mistake. So this should become 2x minus 5, and that would equal 4. I'm sorry, it would equal 9. And then, looks like I made even another mistake, because I should have added 5 to both sides now, and got 2x equals 9 plus 5 is 14. And then if I divide both sides by 2, I would have gotten that x is 7. So I can see two mistakes that I made, right? One of them is I definitely should have added 5x, added actually 5 to both sides, give me this 14. And I should have subtracted 5x from not just this side, but I should have subtracted it from this side also, giving me the 2x, not the 12x. So if x is 7, right, does it check now, right? So let me grab the calculator. I believe x is 7. Over on the left-hand side, we have 5 times open parentheses, 2 times 7, minus 1, close the parentheses, minus 3 times 7. And when I do that, I get the left-hand side is the number 44. Let me jot that down so I don't forget it. And over on the right-hand side, I have 5 times 7 and then plus 9, which is also 44. So because I have the same value on the left and the right-hand side, I know that x equals 7 is indeed the solution. So x is 7, not 1/3.